So there's been a lot of talk recently about how to kayak and perform rescues without going past the 2-meter line. Well, firstly, it's quite easy to get back in these boats once you've fallen off.
Oh, that is fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, now fall off again.
Oh.
If he...
I've fallen off again.
All right. And this time he's really struggling to get back on.
I cannot.
Really struggling. But thankfully, I've got my handy stirrup. Right. So
Can't touch the floor.
he's putting his foot in the stirrup.
Ooh.
And now he can just step
Ooh.
up into his boat.
Even easier. Ooh. That is great.
Look at that. So this stirrup here, this is the winner.
Very nice.